I didn't record the whole process of me doing this, but I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do it. But what you're looking at here is a Lighthawk product I got from my nephew, who has been dying to drive an RC before Christmas. And I decided to strip all the electronics out, and I've now taken out the steering motor, because this thing had a steering motor. And that's what I got so far. Really bad for not showing the process of what I am doing, but ESC is in, just need to connect the motor. Servo is in. I will make something better than just glue, but it is functional. And we got a good receiver in there, so... So I'm thinking I might paint the body, maybe the rims. But the new Bright Wolf Pro has been turned hobby grade. Hobby grade receiver, hobby grade battery, hobby grade ESC, hobby grade all together. We'll have a run very soon. Woohoo! You happy?